If a female dog is called a bitch, what about a female cat?
A hoe.
What will you do if you had to wake up as a lady?
The first thing, obvious, you suck dick.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, John 67. You know what it is, and I'm with my boy, straight through. Yeah. Street quiz. It's been long since we, pulled up with the street quiz. We're going to Supero. Let me give you a question. What do you call a female dog?
A bitch.
What about a female cat?
Boy, that's a pussy, boy. No, pussy cat.
Where am I here today?
You here with Ricky Ricardo, but what's up? What's the word?
Here with Shelvin.
Sure. So the first question goes like this, What do you call a female dog?
A bitch, bro.
Yeah.
It's a bitch.
It's copying me.
No, it's a bitch.
I see.
Like it's a bitch.
Yeah. If a female dog is called a bitch, what about a female cat?
Female cat.
Yeah.
Woman cat. Cat woman.
What do you call a female dog?
A bitch.
What about a female cat?
A pussy. Cat.
What the fuck?
What do you call a female dog?
A bitch.
And a female cat?
What?
A female cat.
Okay. Shit. A hoe.
What?
A hoe.
What do you call a female dog?
A bitch.
And what do you call a female cat?
What was this? A pussy cat.
God have mercy upon us.
What do you call a female dog?
Female dog. It's not a bitch.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay.
It is. What do you call a female cat?
Pussy cat.
Shut the fuck up.
What do you call a female dog?
A bitch.
What about a female cat?
I don't know.
Yes. What do you call a female dog?
A bitch.
A bitch.
Yeah. What do you call a female cat?
Female cat.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. Female cat.
Yeah.
What's that?
Shit. I don't know. I just don't know.
What will you do if you woke up as a gent?
I don't know. I think I'll date my crush, like all the hottest girls in the school.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
What will you do then if you woke up as a lady?
That one, same time I'll commit suicide.
Really, nigga?
What will you do if you had to wake up as a stalker?
It's a stove.
Yeah, as a girl.
Maybe I'll try finger fucking first, boy.
I'll find when I experience how the hands start to shine feel.
You had a dreams that you do.
The first thing, obvious, you suck dick.
Why are you gay?
Just try. Suck dick.
You are gay. Oh, Lord.
Cause now I can't. But you can't. No, I want to try. They say it's nice, so me I want to try. But not now, obvious, cause I'm a giant.
Oh, but if you're a stalker, you suck dick.
Yeah.
Oh. What will you do if you woke up as a girl?
I'll give it all. I'll check.
Yeah.
Like as a girl.
Yeah.
I'll just be shocked. I'll be shocked. Yeah. I'll just be shocked. I won't do anything. I'll be shocked.
Yeah. What was the craziest thing you did as a child?
I feel like maybe kissing a hand when I was like 9 years old, type shit like that, like bah. You know what I mean?
You imagine?
Oh, and the funniest thing, I saw TDs, bro, when I was like 9. I started seeing that shit, you know what I mean?
know what I mean, bro?
The craziest shit, like when I was young. Boy, gang banging hard. Time is not getting in, boy.
What was the craziest thing you did as a child?
Yo, do I really have to say it?
Yeah.
Ish. Oh. But I'm scared that it will ruin my repetition.
Oh, I feel.
I can't say that on YouTube. I can't.
As a child,
Yeah.
like, you see when everyone was sleeping at home, like around, I used to wake up around 12 o'clock. I used to open the fridge and drink a Coke like this. Then after I put it. Yeah.
What word of advice do you have for someone young who is watching? Like, what can you encourage someone who is young?
Yo, guys, first of all, I would like to say you must love yourself before you can express that love.
I knew the pathway like the back of my hand.
Sometimes you
I
can't
felt the earth beneath my
bad because they
feet. Sat by the river and it made me
love yourself, love
complete.
someone, and then
Oh, simple
I think you
thing,
live better
where have you
than
gone?
bro.
I'm getting old and I need something to rely on.
Aside, just
So tell me
thinking I'm gonna live twice, but only once, man. Only find out was 32 years.
I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to
I began my
begin.
career for about 12 years, but things I went through also put me
I
down from
came
the mud
across
to down back on the ground.
fallen
Influence and please
tree.
other people.
I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love?